In your daily recap, One Horizon automatically shows what you did based on integrations such as GitHub when you do a commit. But let's say you want to also track other things you're working on. For example, your Figma. Then you can already see it's there as something we want to add later on. But if you can't wait for that, you can now do it with MCP using, for example, N8N. So in N8N, you can already use Figma as a trigger. It's still a beta though, but it already works for when you comment on a file, when you update the file, delete it, change the version, or publish a library. Then you can get some information from that, which you can directly see in N8N, like here what I did, but also the file name, which we'll use. So for any of these events, we're storing now the file name in a generic parameter called Figma file name. Then we get all the completed tasks from me from today, because let's say I'm adding like 20 comments, you don't want a new item to be created in your recap, like for every single comment, right? You just want to do it per file. So we get back like all my completed work from today. Then we check if the work was already logged, and we do that based on the file name, along with worked on Figma file. If it is already logged, there's nothing to do here. Otherwise, we use another MCP call with One Horizon to create a task. We set it to completed. Otherwise, it's planned item. We use the date from today. And the topic can be something like design. Now, if I go back to Figma and add a comment, and then go to One Horizon, it should be adding it anytime. There you go. So in real time. Now let me add another one. Can also be as a comment. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't add anything else because it filters it out here basically. Now something else you can also do is create planned work from TODOs in Figma. So if the comment contains a to-do, basically just by having text saying to-do in it, then you can again use the MCP with One Horizon to create a planned item. In this case, this time I'm not adding a status that's completed. I just leave it empty, so it's optional parameter, because then it will be a planned item. And I also pass the file in the description, so that will be the URL. So now if I just add another one saying to do, pick my video like I'm doing right now, and go back to One Horizon, there you go. And it now also has the details in here, so I can directly navigate to that file.